Hello, creative friends. So today I am working in a journal. This is a journal that is spiral bound. It's Alyssa Burke. She makes handmade journals. So I'm working in that. And what I do is I will just take just a big handful of scraps that I like. I kind of pick similar colors in black and white, and I use some neon construction paper, and I'll just glue it down to a page randomly. So I decided to just do some flowers on top of that, just some black flowers. I don't even know what kind of flowers they are, but they're really pretty, and I'm just using a little flat brush, and I'm going to make kind of some triangle shape and just add a bunch of little petals. So I'm going to do that, and they're going to be in black silhouette. And then I'm going to add some white mark. So this is a super simple page. It's so nice to have these kind of pages prepped in your journal. You can kind of just go in and just have a good time and create beautiful art in no time. I think this page maybe took me about maybe 20 minutes. It wasn't very long. And I'm going to get just a little thin brush. I actually got this one from the Dollar Tree. They have really good brushes there, actually, that you can get in a pack for $1. And this is just a really tiny one. And yeah, I'm just going to paint in some leaves and make stems. And I love making these black flowers, and then I can doodle inside of them. You guys know that I am all about the doodle. So that's what I'm going to do here. And I like to do odd numbers of things. So I did 3 flowers, and I'm going to do, I think I did a few more leaves. I'm not sure though. And I'm just working on the shape a little bit. Yeah, but they're really pretty. And I love the way that this page turned out. Now, the main thing is when you doodle, you have to make sure that the layers dry. So I am going to do that. And I am going to add another little flower here, I think. But I don't think that I decided to add it. I think I'm going to get a baby wipe and wipe it away because I didn't like it. So I was going to do some kind of other shape, and then I was like, no. So I'm going to take out my baby wipes and just wipe it away because that layer is really dry. Baby wipes are magical and they take things away. So it's good. So I'm just going to continue to add leaves, and I just kind of get a teardrop shape. You know, these are very whimsical flowers. They're not realistic. And I'm going to do 3 leaves. So it's good. Very, very good. Wonderful. Yeah, but it's a super simple project. So I hope you give it a try, and I will let you continue to watch the video. I'm going to add some wording to it and just kind of keep playing around with these flowers until they're dry, and then I'll doodle on top. So thank you so much for watching. Please share this video, pin it on Pinterest. All that stuff helps me out, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.